Hi, I'm Rich Bucheri from Poynter and Bucheri, and today I want to talk about why you should fill out an incident report if you've been injured. So when we're talking about why you should fill out a report, first of all, the circumstances are you're in a big box store or some other type of store and you slip and fall on maybe a liquid that's in the aisle or some type of item that's been misplaced by someone that's in the aisle, someplace where it should not be, that poses a hazard to you. And so you fall. What you should do is you should immediately fill out a report by requesting a manager or requesting an employee to go get a manager, because documentation is going to be the first evidence of your fall or injury. So this is going to be Exhibit A in your case as far as showing that you did in fact fall. Two, it immediately starts the mechanism of preservation of evidence. So the store is on notice that you fell, and so it's going to be incumbent upon them to save things like the item that you actually fell on, the videotape of the area where you were at, the names of the employees that were in the area. So you should probably follow that up with a formal letter to the big box store telling them that you need to preserve evidence. But this incident report is going to put them on notice that something happened, and they should have policies in place to keep evidence just in case they're going to need it. Identification of witnesses. So the witnesses that are going to be, maybe somebody did see you fall and you're going to want to put their names on the incident report, but at the very least you're going to have the names of some of the employees that were there, whether it was the one you first reported the incident to, and you're going to have the name of the manager. So at least you're going to have a couple of people that saw you there, saw you hurt, and these could be potentially very important witnesses in your case. Now, beware of giving a tape statement or a very detailed statement as far as what happened when you're giving your report. And the reason why you want to do that is at the time that you're giving this report, if you're injured significantly, you may not be thinking clearly, but it's always a good idea to consult with an attorney before you give any type of formal statement so that they can prepare you and give you an idea of what kind of questions are going to be asked and what kind of details that you should really pay attention to as far as what you say and what you shouldn't say, so you don't sink your case right from the very beginning. So it's very important that you beware of giving a lot of detail or a lot of information to them other than just the general basics of what happened when you fell.